Robbie, our instructor, was absolutely amazing. My wife was very frightened and he made sure she completed the dive confident and safely. We can see why they have won so many awards. 100% satisfaction and would recommend. Cannot recommend Ocean Spirit highly enough. My husband and I have both never scuba dived before, so this was a totally new experience to us. We did the Discover Scuba dive last week and had Bernard as our instructor, with Nando also on the dive instructing other divers. Both made us feel incredibly comfortable and safe, and it felt like we were among friends. Bernard explained everything extremely well and the initial training was great. Felt very at ease when we went out on the actual dive and it was the most magical experience ever. We saw so many different fish, most notable being the ribbon eel and stonefish. We enjoyed it so much that, when a different excursion was cancelled at the last minute, we called Ocean Spirit up and booked in for another dive, which luckily they were able to accommodate at short notice. We were thrilled to have Bernard as our instructor again, and the second dive was even more fabulous than the first. Thanks to Bernard and the team at Ocean Spirit, my husband and I have both fallen in love with scuba diving and will be looking to get the certifications. If you're thinking of giving scuba diving a go, I would definitely recommend it, and I would definitely recommend doing it with Ocean Spirit. Absolutely incredible experience. Breathtaking views of coral and lots of different types of fish, including rainbow fish, stonefish, ribbon eel and dolphins. Our dive instructor, Bernard, was friendly, very knowledgeable, calming, fun and understanding of different experience levels in our group. Such a fantastic person who made the whole experience amazing. We would recommend this tour to anybody. Incredible diving experience. Nando and Yo were great guides, showing us all the different fish they could find and all very safe and professional.